I'll be focusing on the risks involved with the handicap-accessible ramp within the Eastview Terrace residence complex on the Penn State University Park campus. Before I can get started, I must define risk management. Risk management is controlling financial and personal injury losses from sudden, unforeseen, unusual accidents, and intentional torts. Risk management should also include the intention of maintaining and delivering a quality program, or in this case, facility. You can see in the picture above that alongside the stairs, there is a very long handicap accessible ramp. This ramp is where I'll be focusing. According to ADA specifications, a ramp with a rise greater than 6 inches or a horizontal projection greater than 72 inches must have handrails on both sides. Another specification is that all edges must be protected to keep anyone from slipping off. You can see in the picture above that this ramp meets neither specifications. The first step to developing a risk management plan is to identify the risk, which I previously mentioned regarding the handicap accessible ramp. This risk would be identified as a public liability caused by negligence. The next step in the risk management plan is to evaluate the risk, which involves frequency and severity. I have not seen this ramp used frequently, but the severity of an accident could be very high and Penn State would be at fault if somebody were to fall or slide off of the ramp. As you can see, they would fall directly into landscaping, and depending on how high they were on the ramp, could keep falling down the hill. For the risk involved, Penn State should try to reduce the risk in a very simple way. Reducing the risk leads directly into the third step of the risk management plan, which is risk treatment. To treat the risk involved with this ramp, Penn State just has to install handrails on both sides of the ramp. This would greatly reduce the risk of somebody falling or sliding off of the ramp, and Penn State would meet ADA specifications. The fourth and final step of the risk management plan is implementation. The implementation for this plan would simply be the installation of the handrails. The risk mentioned in this video is something that all of us striving to be recreational professionals could run into. Being prepared and having a keen eye for these risks is essential.